Hello friends, let us discuss preparation properties and uses of sulfur dioxide. This question in exam you are asked in 3 marks only preparation, 3 reactions are there, 3 marks, or all properties asked in 3 marks, uses asked in 2 marks. In 3 marks, 1 preparation or 2 preparation and some properties, or 2 preparation and 2 uses, like that also question asked. In 4 marks preparation, properties and uses all asked, but not all properties and uses you have to write. Suppose in 4 mark the question asks write down preparation, 2 properties and 2 uses, or 1 property and 1 uses, like that. In exam 1 property half mark and 1 use is half mark. For preparation 1 reaction, 1 mark is allotted. So see here, for preparation 3 preparation methods are there. First preparation method is the combustion of sulfur with oxygen or with air. See, sulfur when combust in presence of oxygen, sulfur dioxide is obtained. The negative point of this reaction is 6 to 8% sulfur trioxide is obtained when it is heated in presence of oxygen or in presence of air. It is called combustion reaction. Second is, industrially sulfur dioxide is prepared by roasting. So what is roasting? Let us discuss first. When any sulfide ore is heated in a in any furnace in presence of oxygen, then iron oxide is obtained, or you can say any metal sulfide ore is there, then metal is converted to metal oxide and sulfur is converted to sulfur dioxide. I repeat again, roasting means any sulfide ore like iron pyrite, zinc sulfide, copper pyrite, mercury sulfide, or sulfide ore when heated in a furnace in presence of oxygen, then metal converted to metal oxide and sulfur converted to sulfur dioxide. This reaction you have to balance by trial and error method. Okay, try to balance yourself. Prepare only like this. Metal sulfide by roasting gives metal oxide and sulfur dioxide. Third method, in laboratory, it is generated, means directly the sulfur dioxide gas is obtained by treating sulfite ore. Sulfite means SO3 2 minus. Say for example Na2SO3, sodium sulfite. When treated with a dilute solution of the sulfuric acid, at that time, says this sulfite ore treated with a dilute solution of sulfuric acid, then sulfur dioxide gas is obtained. Sulfite salt heated with a sulfuric acid or treated with a sulfuric acid, then sulfur dioxide gas is obtained. Generally, this method is the laboratory method. So, let us discuss the properties of sulfur dioxide one by one. As we know that sulfur dioxide is colorless, it has a pungent smell, the highly soluble in water, highly soluble in water. See, first property is the colorless, pungent smell. Okay, then it is highly soluble in water, soluble in water. Okay, then after it liquefies at room temperature, but pressure is required double. With the help of 2 bar pressure required. Remember, it liquefies. Okay. Then after, sulfur dioxide when react with a water or with a moisture, at that time we get sulfurous acid. See here, sulfur dioxide with moisture or with water gives sulfurous acid, and this is the concept of acid rain. Sulfur dioxide already present in air by industrial pollution, and in rainy water when this sulfur dioxide is dissolved, then sulfurous acid is obtained. Another one important is the with sodium hydroxide. When it react with a sodium hydroxide, it form. See, the reaction with a sodium hydroxide, it gives the sodium sulfite and water. See the reaction. Sodium hydroxide react with a sulfur dioxide. It gives the sodium sulfate and water. Sodium sulfate and water. Okay. Prepare this reaction. And this sodium sulfite with a more sulfur dioxide is converted into sodium bisulfite, or you can say sodium hydrogen sulfide. See here written with NaOH it form NHSO3, and this is a two-step reaction. In first step sodium sulfite is obtained, and if more sulfur dioxide is there, then sodium bisulfite is obtained. Okay, this reaction is similar to that carbon dioxide reaction. See, when sodium hydroxide react with a carbon dioxide, it forms a sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, when further carbon dioxide is passed, then it forms sodium bicarbonate. Since always process sodium bicarbonate is obtained by this method. See here, some writing is missing, but sulfur dioxide with a chlorine form a sulfuryl chloride. See, see this reaction directly, so you can understand it easily. Writing is not important. Reactions are important. See this reaction. See this reaction. Sulfur dioxide when react with a chlorine gas, sulfuryl chloride is obtained. See in a one reaction in group number 15 we used sulfuryl chloride. I think in the chemistry of phosphorus we use sulfuryl chloride and sulfonyl chloride. Okay, so this reaction you have to describe like this: when sulfur dioxide react with a chlorine gas, it forms sulfuryl chloride. Second reaction is when sulfur dioxide further oxidized and it converted into sulfur trioxide in presence of vanadium pentoxide. In presence of vanadium pentoxide. This vanadium pentoxide is an important catalyst, and this reaction is the key reaction in the preparation of or in manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process. Is the key reaction of contact process. Sulfur dioxide further oxidized and converted into sulfur trioxide in presence of vanadium pentoxide. Next property. See, moist sulfur dioxide behaves as a strong reducing agent. Is a good question. Which of the following is a strong reducing agent? If sulfur dioxide is there, then you have to select that answer. Read answer question carefully. If other are the oxidizing agent, then sulfur dioxide is a reducing agent. So moist sulfur dioxide behaves as a strong reducing agent. So first reduction process is converted Fe 3 plus 2 Fe2 plus decrease by 1. Okay. Another thing, it decolorizes the KMnO4 colorful solution, aqueous solution. Okay. This reaction takes place in acidic medium. KMnO4, the oxidation state of Mn is plus 7, is converted into MnO plus 2. And when KMnO4 is converted to MnO, its color is already lost, it's a decolorized. So, most important thing, KMnO4 is detected. KMnO4 is useful to detect sulfur dioxide in laboratory. Important objective also here it is obtained, that is decolorization of KMnO4 is used to detect sulfur dioxide in laboratory. Okay, let us move to the next property. See here the structure of sulfur dioxide. In the structure of sulfur dioxide, Lewis structure number 1, Lewis structure number 2, both are continuously interconverted to each other. Okay, so this is the resonance structure number 1 or Lewis structure number 1. This one is 2. This one is resonance hybrid structure. See, sulfur and oxygen single bond is a coordinate covalent bond. Sulfur has a 6 valence electron. Similar way, oxygen has also 6 valence electron. And sulfur is sp2 hybridized here, and hybridization always we have to mention of the central element is a sulfur, so sulfur is sp2 hybridized here. Angular not described here is the angular shape. Okay, not necessary. Then after discussing of the structure of SO2, let us discuss about the uses of sulfur dioxide. See, uses means refining in petroleum, sugar. It is used as a bleaching agent in wool, silk, and it is also used as an anti-chlor. Whenever there is a proportion of chlorine is more, then sulfur dioxide is used to remove the chlorine, because we already discussed in this reaction. See here, when sulfur dioxide react with a chlorine is converted into sulfuryl chloride. See this reaction carefully, and due to this reaction sulfur dioxide is used as an anti-chlor. Anti-chlor means the remove of chlorine if more chlorine is there. Then after it is used as a disinfectant. It is used as a preservative. See, in a pickles and in a packed food, the sulfur dioxide is used as a preservative. Okay, it is also useful in the preparation of sulfuric acid, sodium, hydrogen sulfide. Some important chemicals prepared by using this. The first is the sulfuric acid. Okay, then after sodium bisulfite, calcium bisulfite. These all chemicals are useful in industry. So sulfur dioxide is useful to prepare. See, first is sulfuric acid here, sodium bisulfite, calcium bisulfite, and all chemicals are the industrial chemicals, and these are used. Sulfur dioxide is used to prepare 1, 2, and these 3 important chemical. Last use, SO2 is used as a solvent to dissolve number of organic and inorganic chemicals. So SO2 also important solvent. So let us discuss once again the uses: refining petroleum and sugar, bleaching silk and wool as an anti-chlor, disinfectant and preservative, preparation of 3 important industrial chemicals like sulfuric acid, sodium bisulfite, calcium bisulfite, also used as a solvent for number of organic and inorganic chemicals. Okay, thank you friends.